shoulders and back. Then of course, pink nails. And let's start it. For Sun, pink hat. She must have coffee with her. Pink drink pot. This is my block. So it's pink one and with pink pencil. Oh, and now I would like to show you. Of course I got pink sunglasses. So I got my new, I love exercising with music, and I got new clipper. So it's amazing, you know, I don't have to have, so it's very light, small, so I can enjoy my workout. I'm so excited. Of course you must have your phone with you to call your friends. And sun is sometimes very strong, and here the skin is very sensitive, so you have to have your pink scarf. Okay.